G'day ABN Builder members. Today's video is just a quick overview on how to use the price file section of the ABN Builders portal. So on the left hand side of the navigational toolbar, you go directly to the price file section and use the drop down menu, and then you can click on ABN price files to access this section. Once the screen populates, you'll notice that there's a list of suppliers and supplier price files in this section. The first column will tell you what the supplier name is. The second column will display the contact person relevant to each supplier. The third column displays the number of products within that price file, and then you have date created and date last updated. So as an example, if we click on the Bunnings trade price file here, we'll give it a few seconds to load. So here we have a list of products within the Bunnings price file. If we scroll down to the bottom, we'll see that there is a total of 1152 products within this price file. So the first column here, we have a description of each product. There's another column for product code, which in this case there are no product codes displayed. The third column will tell us what type of product it is. So in this price file, all these products are classified as materials. Sometimes price files might have products that are labour component products, or it could be a combination of both material and labour, and that'll be described in this column here. Next we have our unit of measurement, and then finally we have our unit price. All prices in the portal are ex-GST. If we scroll back down, we'll see that there are a couple of navigational arrows. So if you wanted to scroll to the next page, you just click on the right arrow key, and if you wanted to come back to a previous page, you use the left arrow key. Highly advised that you leave the rows per page section at the default 25. So in this case, if we were to click show all products, it would attempt to show all 1152 products on the one page, which probably isn't going to work too well. The next section is how to search for products. So we've got a search toolbar up here, and if we type in a keyword, for example if we type in MGP, it should refresh the screen and display all products with the word MGP in the description. So we can narrow down our search, and there's 65 products that have been found with that keyword. Or alternatively, I'll just delete this keyword. We can use this filter mechanism here on the left hand side, and we can search by category or subcategory of products. If I go down, for example, to the timber category, and I just click on that to drop down the timber menu, I'll have all the subcategories related to the timber category here. So if I wanted to say find something in the framing timber subcategory, I'll just click on that. It'll refresh the screen and it'll show us all the products relating to framing timber, and there's 67 entries found. If I wanted to go back and search another subcategory, I just click on a different section and I'll refresh the screen again. Now if I wanted to go back and search another supplier, I'd go to the left, back to my navigational toolbar. I'll click on ABN price files again to go back to the main screen, the price file screen, and then I can just click another supplier to start my search again. It's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. The only other thing to mention in this section is the user price files. So by default this section will be empty. These are customized price files for builders to enter their own information in, and if you want to enter something in, just hit the plus icon on the top right hand corner and it'll prompt you to create your own price file. So that's pretty much it for this section. View our other video tutorials for other features, and I'll see you on the next video.